What if I told you that some Nigerian stocks grew by more than 100% in just 1 year? And on top of that, these stocks still pay dividends to investors. For many people, this sounds very unrealistic. Some believe opportunities like this only exist in foreign markets. Other people assume that the Nigerian stock market is only for short-term traders or insiders. But the truth is that the biggest opportunity in the Nigerian market and any other market at all usually comes from owning stocks that people do not understand yet. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 6 premium Nigerian stocks that will make 2026 your most profitable year. These are not random stocks. They are companies with real operations, proven business model, steady cash flow, and growing demand for what they sell. These are the kind of companies that large investors quietly accumulate over time. I will rank these stocks from the least performing premium stock to the best performing one. I will break down how much the share price grew, what drives companies' revenue, and why analysts are paying attention to the stocks. I also discuss why the stock will deliver strong returns in 2026. Most importantly, I will explain why the numbers matter, not just what the numbers are. Remember this, past performance does not guarantee future results, but it gives us a strong clue about the company and how its stocks might perform in 2026. This is how professional investors think. They don't predict future with certainty. They just stack probabilities in their favor. I will start from the least performing stock up to the top performer. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because the final stock explains why long-term wealth is built quietly. My name is Funsho, and I am a chartered accountant with over 14 years of experience advising high net worth individuals and companies listed on the Nigerian exchange. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I invite you to subscribe now and like the video. Also, share this video with someone you know needs to watch it. Before we go into discussing the top premium stocks I have for you today, it is important to understand and know what a premium stock is. So I will explain what a premium stock is using a simple story. Imagine you want to invest your money and two people walked up to you. The first person says, "I just started a business last month. I don't have many customers yet, but if you give me your money, I promise you big profits very soon." Now, there's excitement in that story, right? But there's also risk. Then second person comes and says this, "I have been running this business for over 20 years. People know my shop. Customers come every day. I make money every year. Even when business is slow, I still survive. And sometimes I share profits with people who support me." That second business may not sound exciting, right? But then it sounds safe. That's the second business is what we call a premium stock. A premium stock is a share of a strong and trusted company. It's a company that has been around for a long time, a company people depend on daily, a company that makes money consistently. And when you buy a premium stock, you are not gambling. You are becoming a small owner of a proven business. Think about the companies you use every day. The bank where you keep your money, the phone network you use to make calls and browse the internet, the company that makes cement for houses, the company that provides electricity, fuel, or food. These are premium companies. And when those companies are listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, their shares are called premium stocks. So if I have to say it to you in one simple sentence, I would say that a premium stock is a share of a strong and trusted company that makes money regularly and is likely to stay around many more years from now. Now, let's get into the conversation for today. The first premium stock on this list is United Bank for Africa. UBA is a Pan-African bank with operations across multiple countries and a massive customer base. UBA earns revenue across retail banking, corporate banking, trade finance, and international transactions. Its interest income rose by 10% year on year. This tells us lending activity remains strong and customers are still engaging with the bank services. UBA's share price closed at 41.65 kobo, representing a 22.59% gain. Now, many retail investors dismiss stocks like this because the percentage gain looks small, but analysts don't think that way. Most analysts are of the view that UBA is actually undervalued. That means that the stock price does not fully reflect the bank's earning power, balance sheet strength, and even a long-term growth potential. For value investors, this is attractive. They prefer buying quality stock before everyone else does. UBA is a stock you buy for stability, for dividends, and steady compounding. Next, we move on to one of Nigeria's largest industrial powerhouses, Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement's share price rose by 27.19% and it closed at 609 naira, and revenue grew by 23% year on year. Revenue growth matters more than price growth. It shows demand remains strong and pricing power exists. Dangote Cement is the market leader in cement production in Nigeria. Market leadership provides economies of scale, lower cost of per unit, stronger margins, and better distribution network. Cement is not a luxury product. It's an essential for housing, road, bridges, and infrastructural development. This makes Dangote Cement a defensive industrial stock. It may not move fast, but it protects value over time. Dangote Cement is a cash-generating machine, and those are the kind of businesses long-term investors prefer. If you are learning something new, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this in the future. My goal on this channel is to help serious investors like you to make smarter decisions in 2026. Now, let's return to the banking sector and discuss Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is one of Nigeria's Tier 1 banks. It is respected for its discipline and conservative risk management. The stock closed at 61 naira 80 kobo, delivering a 35.82% gain. This was not driven by speculation, it was driven by steady institutional interest. Analysts consistently describe Zenith Bank as undervalued. The stock trades below what its earnings and balance sheet justify. Zenith Bank's strength includes strong capital buffers, conservative loan book, extensive branch network, and expanding digital banking capabilities. For long-term investors, Zenith is a true reliable stock that always delivers. Now, we move to a company that surprised many investors, and I'm talking about FirstHoldCo, the holding company of First Bank of Nigeria. The stock closed the year at 47 naira 90 kobo, delivering 70.77% gain. That kind of movement usually signals a change in market perception. Its net interest income jumped by 72% to 1.21 trillion naira, and this reflects the benefits of a high interest rate environment. Next, let's step back into the industrial sector and look at Lafarge Africa. Lafarge delivered a 92.28% gain, pushing its share price to 134 naira 50 kobo. This reflects strong operational efficiency and cost management. Lafarge benefits from infrastructure development, housing demand, and urban expansion. This places it between a growth stock and an income-oriented stock. That balance makes Lafarge attractive to long-term investors who want both upside and stability. If you are learning something new, subscribe now so that you can see more videos like this in future. Also, don't forget to like this video. My goal on this channel is to help serious investors like you make smarter decisions in 2026. Finally, to the best performing premium stock, the stock that captured the market's attention like no other. I'm speaking about MTN Nigeria. MTN's share price increased by 155.50% and it closed at 511 naira. This performance was driven by fundamentals, not hype. Growth came from increased smartphone penetration, rising demand for mobile data, heavy reliance on MTN for work, entertainment, and communication. MTN sits at the center of digital consumption. This is structural growth and not a one-off event. Recurring revenue, pricing power, and scale makes MTN a cornerstone stock. This is what long-term winners look like. Now that we have seen the top premium stocks of 2026, you can actually buy these stocks through your licensed Nigerian stock brokers like Stanbic IBTC, Afra Invest, Meristem, United Capital, and FBN Quest. You can also use digital platforms like Bamboo, Chaka, Trove, iInvest, and Cowrywise. Getting started requires identity verification, KYC documentation, and bank account linking. Please check the video description for links to download the various investment apps. Remember that successful investing requires research, patience, and professional guidance. Now, let me leave you with my final thoughts. The stock market is not a place to gamble. It's a place to do business. If you stay patient, manage risk, and think long term, 2026 could be a defining year for you. If this video has helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, share it with people who need to see it. I will see you in the next video.